going to do my makeup, or I'm gonna have my makeup done. So I'm gonna try and get it while it's being done. I don't normally do a lot of heavy makeup, so I do soft stuff. I like pinks, I like greens, I like different colors that are a little bit softer. I don't normally I don't do a lot of blush, I don't do a lot of that stuff, so it'll be fun to see today how that's different for me. And then we're using some makeup stuff that was given to me, and so I'm so lucky that I have some amazing people in my life. And so Indica gave me this one, and it is Clueless Totally Buggin', and I grew up with Clueless, and I love Clueless, and so these are the colors that we are going to use today. I'm really excited. I'm hoping at some point Indica is going to join me on my show so that she can do makeup. She does amazing makeup, and so I'll see if I can put some links down below, but she does absolutely amazing makeup, and so I'm hoping that she's going to be able to do one of these videos as well. So it's a learning experience for you guys, it's a learning experience for me. So let's get started. Oh, I forgot, we're also using I have really light eyebrows, so we're doing e.l.f, and we are doing it's brow pencil, and then we're using Mary Kay's I don't want to tip it over too much, Mary Kay, and I used to use a lot of Mary Kay while I was growing up, so I'll have those ones. And then last but not least, we're going to do the Stay Matte is it matte? Okay, we're going to use this one. Okay, so let's get started. So we so far have used this one, and now we're gonna do this one. thingy turned off. So until we get a cord for that, what do you guys think so far? There's like nothing like getting your makeup done because it's just really, really nice to do. My eyebrows, I feel like misproportionate. And so I feel like one is longer than the other, or maybe thicker. Maybe as I'm doing this. Let's see. So we are going to clean it up a little bit because one eye is a little bit higher than the other. So again, it could be the misproportion of my eyebrows. Look at this. I'm doing nothing. Like the glitter and the gold and the way that it looks right now. We're gonna move on to underneath the eye. I forgot to tell you guys that I'll do my eyeliner because I have like a thing with that, but we are gonna put eyeliner and mascara on, but I'll show you guys those ones when we come there. Okay, so we are halfway through my makeup, and my niece is actually the one that is doing my makeup. So shout out to my niece. Thank you so much for being on my channel today and for doing my makeup. And my little niece just passed by, and she like looked at me kind of with one eyebrow up, and I was like, "What, you don't like it?" And she's like, "No, you look like Professor Quirrell." With the way my hair is. And she just kept going. Like, that was it. That's where that stopped. And I was like, thank you. She didn't even let me respond. And so we're gonna continue on, and then I'll take my hair off. And so my little niece loves Harry Potter just like I do, and so I loved the Professor Quirrell reference. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I really like it. I like the lipstick combined with the eyeliner, and it's really pretty. Thank you to my beautiful niece for letting me doing this. And so I'm gonna take down my hair because this one already fell off, and then I'll let you guys know what the finished product looks like. So thanks for joining me.